Leaseweb is a global hosting provider offering an array of services like dedicated servers, cloud solutions, colocation, and more. Let's examine some of their key strengths and weaknesses. Pros: reliability. Leaseweb is recognized for its robust network and infrastructure, leading to high uptime and minimal downtime. Performance. Their servers are powerful and well-equipped, delivering excellent performance for demanding websites and applications. Global reach. Leaseweb boasts data centers strategically located across the globe, giving you options to position your content closer to your target audience. Scalability. They offer flexible options, allowing you to easily upgrade resources in line with changing business needs. Customizable solutions. You have a large degree of control over server configuration, enabling you to tailor solutions to your specific requirements. Cons: cost. Leaseweb's services can be on the pricier side compared to some budget hosting providers. Technical expertise. Utilizing their solutions effectively may require some level of technical knowledge, making it less beginner-friendly. No money-back guarantee. While they have a strong reputation, the lack of a money-back guarantee might be a concern for some potential customers. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.